One of the Marcy Corrections officers charged with murder and the death of inmate Robert Brooks in December appeared in Oneida County Court for a suppression hearing. Today's hearing will determine if evidence found during the investigation of Anthony Farina's case will be admissible during trial. News Channel 2's Nolan Hyman is live here in the studio.
Thank you, Kristen. While no photos or videos were allowed in the courtroom, there were a few pieces of evidence mentioned during the hearing. On December 13th, 4 days after the death of Robert Brooks, investigators executed a search warrant on Anthony Farina's home in Oneida. The suppression hearing was to determine if evidence found during that search could be admissible during trial. The evidence in question, the contents of Farina's cell phone. Today, prosecutors called 2 investigators to the stand that conducted the search, senior investigator Dennis Doherty and investigator Newell Field. During the search, they obtained Farina's cell phone, and both investigators say they received his verbal and written consent to search it. Doherty said the following day he took the phone to computer crimes. An investigator there told him he found something that might have evidentiary value. They stopped the investigation and secured a search warrant for the phone on December 16th. During cross-examination, Farina's attorney, James Rioto II, questioned investigators on how they obtained Farina's consent to search his phone. Farina's attorney is set to make arguments as to why this evidence should be suppressed on September 2nd. After that, prosecutors have a week to reply. Farina is one of 10 correction officers charged in connection to the Robert Brooks case. Marcy Corrections Officer Christopher Walleraff pled guilty to manslaughter and was sentenced last Monday to 15 years in state prison. Nicholas Gentile is the only other corrections officer to plead guilty. His charge was tampering with physical evidence. He admitted to cleaning up the blood of inmate Robert Brooks. He was sentenced to 1-year conditioned discharge and had to resign. The 7 others rejected plea offers and are preparing for trial. Michael Fisher, Michael Mashaw, David Walters, Nicholas Kiefer, David Kingsley, Nicholas Anzalone, and Matthew Gallagher. After the 2 investigators stepped down, the people in the defense rested. Farina's next appearance is scheduled for September 22nd for a final pretrial conference. Looking ahead, Farina's trial is scheduled to begin on October 6th. Reporting in studio, Nolan Hyman, Jason Kristen, back to you.